It's another hot day here on Cooking with Tovia, and I'm going to bring you two things to help you guys combat the heat. The first thing is my giveaway, and I'm going to be giving away a grill toolkit by Grill Heat Aid. Check the description box to see all of these lovely accessories that are included with this kit, so you guys will be able to handle all your food on the grill like a pro with this kit. You must be 18 years or older in the United States of America. Just simply comment Grill Heat Aid along with your comment about today's video, and I will enter you in this contest. The contest is going to close within 7 days of today, so I'll be announcing the winner in 2 weeks. Once the winner is announced, the winner will have 7 days to contact me with your address and information. If not, the item will be put back up for drawing again, and somebody else has a chance to win. I have 2 more contests coming, one on Facebook and one on Instagram, so if you don't win this contest, be sure to be following me there. I got a request from my friend Sheila on how to make raspberry sorbet, so I figure I would give my own little twist, and we're going to make raspberry tea sorbet, because raspberry tea is absolutely delicious and satisfying for the summertime, and we're going to turn this into a sorbet. It's super easy to make, and you can use frozen raspberries like I did, because fresh raspberries are super expensive. You'll be able to find all the ingredients you need for today's recipe in the description box below. Please don't forget to follow me on social media, and please give me a thumbs up and share this video. Please, I'm hot. I'm out here doing this for you guys, so please give me a little bit of support in return. Well, you guys do wonderful at that, but please share this video as much as you can, because I want this contest to go big. Alright, so let's go ahead and begin with today's demo. I'm going to begin by adding my sugar to my boiling water that I've just brought it to a boil in the microwave. I'm just going to whisk the two together vigorously, because we need to ensure that this sugar is all dissolved. You can use granulated white sugar, or you can use raw sugar. So what we're doing is we're making a simple syrup, and to this simple syrup we are going to add a tea bag once all the sugar is dissolved. So I have here some frozen raspberries that have no sugar added to it. I'm just going to pour this into my Geek Chef blender. I'm just going to blend until everything is smooth. So here I have a sieve with a piece of cheesecloth, and I'm just going to pour my puree raspberry through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to begin by moving the raspberries around, just sort of in a back and forth motion slightly. And we're just going to kind of assist it with pressing all this raspberry juice through. Doing this so we can have a smooth raspberry puree. So I realized that my cheesecloth was the wrong gauge, so I am just going to use it, strain it without the cheesecloth. And I'm just moving it back and forth. And as you see, it's still holding off the seeds, so we have a smooth raspberry puree. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some vanilla extract to our tea simple syrup. I'm going to give that a mix. And then I'm going to put the tea simple syrup into a refrigerator safe container. We don't want to put it into any container that's metal. Cover it with the lid, and then we're going to let that sit in the fridge until cool. So I have here lime. You can use a lemon or a lime. I'm going to juice it. If you want to add 2 lemons or 2 limes, it's totally up to you. It just depends on how strong you want the citrus flavor to be in your sorbet, but I would not suggest taking it beyond 2 lemons or 2 limes. Then I'm going to add the juice of the lime to my raspberry puree. Just going to whisk that in, and I'm going to cover this with a lid and put this into the refrigerator and let that chill for about 4 hours or overnight. So here off to the side I have my large Pyrex cup, and I'm going to pour my simple tea syrup. You see how thick that is? This is what's going to give us a creamy texture for our sorbet. And then our chilled raspberry puree. Whisk all this together. Now I'm going to turn on my ice cream maker. I'm using the Cuisinart, and the bowl has been in the freezer for 2 days. So I have to turn the machine on. I'm just going to pour my sorbet mix in. And now we're going to let this go for about 20 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes, or just until it's almost doubled in volume. It just depends on your ice cream maker. Just follow the manufacturer's directions. So it's been 18 minutes and my sorbet is ready. Look at that beautiful texture, creamy, shiny. Oh, we know this is going to be so creamy when we go to scoop this after it sits in the freezer. Just by that beautiful gloss from that simple syrup we made. And this has a very nice smell. You can smell the tea, and you can smell the raspberries and everything. It's just amazing. To a freezer safe container, and I'm gonna let that stay in there until it completely firms up. About 4 to 6 hours or overnight. So here is our raspberry tea sorbet, and it's been in the freezer overnight, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just scoop. And I don't know if you can see how well that is just scooping perfectly. Soft, creamy, beautiful raspberry tea sorbet. Here is our beautiful raspberry tea sorbet. I garnished it with mint. I just went outside and snipped some mint from my garden. And I hope you guys tried this recipe. Please give me a thumbs up in advance and add this to your playlist and share this video. And we're going to give this a taste. Beautiful creamy texture. So good. So good. You have the best of both worlds. Raspberry and tea. If you want a raspberry sorbet that's different and you want to impress your friends, definitely try this raspberry tea sorbet. If you enjoyed today's recipe, please leave me a comment. If you have a request for something you like to see, please leave that in the comment section as well. And please remember to live and be well. Let's do what we can to come together to love one another. Thank you so much for watching.